Hi, I'm Sivaramakrishnan. Come on, let's draw.
So first step is drawing the hearting. So let's start here. Okay. Just add small curves and then go in this direction. Then make sure that you align this point and this point in the same line. Yes, that's it. Now return like this. So we are done with the hearting. Now what we have to do is, like, little bit above this point, yes, here, draw a curved line like this. Okay, now extend this curve like this and then bend it inwards and then make it join here in this point. Okay, so you can even extend it till here. Now we are going to extend these two lines. Draw two lines from these 2 points, and then add an inverted B here or a W, whichever makes sense for you. Now after this we are going to draw another hearting. Okay, like maybe here in the middle of these two things. Like this, first half, and then the second one. You can even extend it a little bit like this. Yes, we are going to draw beak. Okay, beak of this bird. So start with a curve here above this feather, then draw like this so that it forms a beak. You got it? Now parallel to this beak, draw something like this, draw a curve, then make the beak pointing downwards, or draw the beak pointing downwards. Okay, now we are going to add the eyes. So first one, then second one. Okay, now for this we're going to add only one eye. That is enough. Okay, after that we are going to add detailing to these feathers. Now some more detail for the tails. If we want, we can even add a face shape like this. It more looks like an owl. Yes, okay, let's add some more detailing. Okay, see, this one is done, and then similarly for this one, like this. Now finally let's add the legs. Nothing, just two dark lines, that's it. Don't have to do any fancy stuff. Yes, it's over.
That's it, guys. Hope it was easy and you liked it. Try this out and don't forget to share your artworks with me. You can use my WhatsApp business number and I would love to see your drawings. And wait, there's a bonus. I will share my Facebook group's invite link. In that group, I'm discussing the tips and tricks on how to draw and also answering your questions. If you're very much interested in arts, you can accept the invite. And finally, if you want to check my artworks, search for Entice Art Studio in YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Take care. Happy drawing. Bye.